Good afternoon, everyone. Are you getting my voice? I think so. No disturbance. I hope. Okay, fine. And now I am writing one siding. Now we can do today H2O2 also. Okay. Yes, yes. Please write. This is the siding. You can note down. Bleaching powder main composition is CaO, Cl2 is the main composition in terms of percentage of available chlorine. Available chlorine from the. That is not the question. Only siding. Only this is. Yes, yes, correct. From the sample of bleaching powder. This is only siding. So I'm giving reactions. What is going to be happen here? If you are heating bleaching powder, CaOCl2 will get CaO plus Cl2. Okay. This is called available chlorine. This is the bleaching powder main composition. When we are heating, I am getting Cl2. Okay. How much Cl2 is available? Because the Cl2 acts as bleaching powder, this is going to be kill germicides. We know that one bleaching powder. Even nowadays, Corona, they are cleaning all municipality people. They are spreading all bleaching powder, not they throw that one. Huh? They spray bleaching powder also outside. That bleaching powder main composition is COCl2. It releases Cl2. When they releases Cl2, actually, it can react with water. It may get here HOCl plus HCl. Okay, this HOCl, it is oxidizing agent because it releases nascent oxygen plus HCl. So this is the highly active species. It can react with germicide, whatever those things is there, and they can kill. When they are reacting nascent oxygen with those people, those are germicides, anything substance, those going to be killed. So that's why this acts as oxidizing agent. Okay. This is the secondary, but here our target is how much chlorine is provided by bleaching powder. That's why we are going to be calculate. After releasing chlorine directly, I can't measure chlorine. That chlorine going to be react with either Ki solution. You may can take so that is Ki solution or I minus. Suppose Ki solution I'm using here 2Ki will get 2KCl plus I2. Yeah, that won't kill, that germicide will be killed. That's why. Array, which is I'm teaching all these things you won't get from NCERT book. Okay. All these are for JEE advanced purpose you are teaching extra things. Don't expect from NCERT book. Array, even I didn't see still Seeker book. I will ask that one. I will take. Previous books are too good. New one, I didn't see that one. Let you know that one. Huh? But anyway, I'm giving direct question, same model. All these are under the iodometric titration only will get. Please check it. This I2, once I2 releases, that I2 can react with hypo solution. Gives rise, what will get, sir? 2 NaI plus Na2S4O6. Good, good. Array, type in. Why the screen is not coming down? Okay, fine. Can you write here GN in terms of GN everything? Can you please write? Whatever participate here, you can write. This is the first equation. I don't think about square bracket. That's I given just how that acts as bleaching powder, oxidizing agent. Because of nascent oxygen, it can act as oxidizing agent. Is that correct? That's the only reason I given this is. So you can take here, I can write here GN of bleaching powder, sir. You can take that is CaOCl2. You can write GN of Cl2. Can you write? And Cl2 reacting with whom? I2. Next, I2 react with whom, sir? Hypo solution. Is it correct? That is nothing but Na2S2O3. But mostly they are going to be ask you available chlorine and hypo. These two they will give. In this situation, you can equal these two. This is they are going to be asked you by giving relation. They may can call hypo also. This is understood. So I think so how to write equation. You know that one. Should we do one problem? But if anywhere they're given, then only you can do. Discussing each and every corner, all the things you are discussing. Once we done this is everything, sir. Perfectly. Already I told you very clearly, I'm teaching top 10 rank. Okay. So you should have patience. Why, sir, you are teaching? Why means you can't lose now one question also that can change too much rank, too much difference. No, top rank, too much competition is there, but we are getting easily that concepts now. You should be accept that one. But all we are teaching only one formula and easiest method. I am not teaching difficult method. So even whatever the topics is there, everything we are connecting with our basic formula. That's you need to understand, sir. You can make it very difficult, all the things, but I'm not making difficult. Whatever all the concepts I'm making to only one small formula, that is in terms of equivalence. Clear? So I think so. I'm thinking that one I'm teaching easiest method only, but I will try still better when in future maybe. Now let's start this question. 0.71 gram of a sample of bleaching powder, of a sample of bleaching powder bleaching powder is dissolved in is dissolved in 100 ml of 100 ml of are dissolved in 100 ml of water. Okay, 50 ml of the solution, 50 ml of the solution is titrated with titrated with Ki solution. Here the I2 so liberated the I2 so liberated liberated required 10 ml of required 10 ml of 0.1 m Na2S2O3 in bracket hyposol. Hypo solution in acidic medium acidic medium. Think so you can understand that is acidic medium. Acidic medium for complete neutralization. For complete neutralization. Calculate the percentage of available Cl2. Calculate the percentage of available Cl2. Okay, question is completed. You can write remaining people. Every formula here only just equal Gn. You can write available Cl2 from the sample of bleaching powder. Sample of bleaching powder. Clear? So this is the question, sir. Question only it will take too much time, but answer you can do very fast. So we know very simple thing. Whatever they given, simple thing G enough, we need to find out Cl2 only. Is correct? Gram equivalent number of, because they're asking Cl2, that's why Cl2 equal to, you make and write gram equivalent number of I2. It's nothing but gram equivalent weight number of hypo. This is, so I can equal directly Cl2 equal to hypo. They given only information about which one, sir? Hypo. You can see here 10 into 0.1. What is the n factor of hypo, sir? Anyone can you give n factor for Na2S2O3? N factor for Na2S2O3. Anyone please? Right? That many people answers you given. N factor for hypo is 1, sir. We given yesterday 0.5 into 2 will get 1. Correct. Array hypo solution only have to titrate with I2. There is no other standard solution. Devadarshan. We have to take only hypo with respect to I2. There is no other standard solution, good solution laboratory which can react with I2. Okay. So it can't take other solutions. Array Na2S2O3. In fact, I told that one. Yes, sir. Answer is 10%. Very good. Ashwin. Good. Array hypo you make an ask in, I think so mostly photo labs is there now, which is photo frame we are sorry photos which is we are getting, means what we can say photo film, we are getting photo film to photo studios you make and get hypo solution is there. One of the solution hypo solution formula is Na2S2O3 dot 5H2O is the hypo solution. Okay, this is the hypo, sir. I wrote in bracket also very clearly na. Either Na2S2O3 name is common name is hypo, common name is hypo. That's one of the chemical. Okay. Balamurugan, I think so you are not didn't refer your class notes properly. I hope. Instead of typing this much thing, can you open your class notes? Iodometric titration and factor. I2 plus Na2S2O3. Can you open your class notes? Just open your class notes, na? Even you saw, but you didn't get. N factor is 1. Okay, fine. I will explain. You can see, sir. Some people they're asking how we got, sir, N factor for hypo solution. Look into here. Here Na2S2O3. What is the sulfur oxidation state? You know how to calculate sulfur oxidation state? Na2S2O3. What is the sulfur oxidation state here? Na is 2 1 plus sulfur how much, sir? Px plus oxygen how much, sir? 3 into minus 2 minus 6 equal to 0. How much will get? 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Then 2x equal to 4. Then x equal to plus 2. Any doubt here? Sulfur is plus 2. Any doubt? What about here sulfur? Can you try it? HOCl is hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid, that is HOCl, hypochlorous acid. Can you try? What is the answer, sir? Na2S4O6. Plus 2.5. Is it correct or anything wrong, sir? Any doubt how to calculate? Array, who asked doubts? You people, you should be think that one. Who asked doubts? We have to participate. Why they have to give others answers? Other people already know that one. The answer is 10% is the answer. Who have doubts, please participate. Yes. Now also you are silent mode means I can't do anything for you, sir. I am discussing again only who are not understanding that people purpose, not who understood. But you are not participating means what we can do? Array, my screen is fused. I didn't write anything right now. Are you able to see my screen? Is it clear my screen or anything it changes? Anything? Please check it. Array, clearly freezed means not. అరే మధు ఈ ఫోన్ కొంచెం బయట పెడతారా ఏంటి దగ్గర పెట్టుకో అరే మనోహర్ ఈ ఫోన్ నీ దగ్గర పెట్టుకుందరా దాంట్లో బయట పెట్టు బయట పెట్టు సిగ్నల్ దీంట్లో చూడు అరే చెక్ ఇట్ దట్ మై స్క్రీన్ ఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు సీ ఆర్ నాట్ క్లియర్లీ no you can't see huh okay Array, I didn't write anything. I kept as the screen like this only still now. Now I am scrolling. Last few minutes onwards I didn't change my screen. Just I kept like that only. So I'm asking, you have to calculate. Answer is 2.5. How you are getting? Array, I solved one. Can you try this? Is how 2.5? Na2S4O6. You can try same pattern. This is 2 into 1 plus this is 4x plus 6 into minus 2 equal to 0. Then 2 plus 4x minus 2 will equal to 0. Then 4x equal to 10. Then x equal to 10 by 4. Nothing but 2.5. What is the answer? 2.5. So now can you check it difference how much? 2 and 2.5 difference how much? How many sulfurs into 2? I think so 2 into 0.5 is the final one equal to 1. Still doubt how to calculate n factor? Array, who asked that people? You should be respond now. I think so. You got it, huh? Fine. Now we can go further. Our question we are solving. So n factor is 1. How much will get? 1 milli equivalent. Is it correct? 10 into 0.1. This is Cl2. Correct. Gram equivalent number of Cl2. What's the weight? Weight by gram equivalent weight. Can I write? Gram equivalent number of Cl2 nothing but then weight equal to 1 milli equivalent means 10 power minus 3, sir. Is it correct? Any doubt here? And weight is how much, sir? Equivalent weight of Cl2. I think n factor is 2 for Cl2. Is it correct? Whereas Cl2 I2 n factor is 2. So you can write here molecular weight is 71 by 2. 71 by 2. Is it correct? Equivalent weight of Cl2 equal to gram equivalent weight of Cl2 equal to gram molecular mass by n factor. N factor, how much I can get, sir? Cl2. 71 by 2 n factor. Cl2, Br2, I2, all these are how much are n factors? 2 is the n factor. Any doubt? Answer is 10%. Any doubt here? N factor is Cl2 how? Okay, again one more time for you, sir. How to get Cl2 is n factor? You can check it here. 0 is the oxidation state. How much? -1. Difference how much? How much are difference? 1. But how many Cl is there? 2. 2 is the n factor. Any doubt? Everything we are discussing, every point. But you should not act as like we are learning first time, sir, these things. So now this is weight is for how many ml, sir? Can I observe that one? How many ml is weight? They are taking for 50 ml. For 50 ml, we calculated weight is how much? This is the weight for 50 ml. 50 ml of solution is contain this much weight. 50 ml of solution contain, so 10 power minus 3 into 71 by 2. For 100 ml contain how much? Because starting is how much solution they are taking, sir? 100 ml, I think is correct. They dissolve in how many ml? 100 ml. So x equal to how much will get? Then x equal to 10 power minus 3 into 71 by 2 into 100 by 50. Is correct? I think so. 2, 50, 100 will be cancelled. Then finally 71 into 10 power minus 3 grams of weight is there. Percentage means how to calculate, sir? Percentage of Cl2 or percentage what they given available chlorine only, na? Cl2 equal to given weight by, sorry, whatever you calculate weight by W total into 100. This is nothing but percentage purity. How much weight you got? 7 into 10 power minus 3. How much weight they given in the question? 0.71 into 100. Now what is the answer, sir? Will you get 10 here? Check it. So this is your answer. Maybe most of the people you miss here for 100 ml and 50 ml calculation. Please check it. If you done this is, then everything is correct. Yes. What's your doubts, please? Still, anyone you are not understanding, let me know that one. Are I given 71 or 0.71? Please check it. Someone they said, are 0.71 only given in the question. Huh? In the question I given 0.71. You can see that is. I wrote. Any other, please? Okay, fine. Array, keep in mind, M means what indicate? M means. What does the M indicate? Array, who asked that one? Some people why 10 power minus 3 kept. Huh? Anjay, surely I will make today. I will spend at least extra half an hour to more than 1 hour. I will keep today. Some people are asking how to calculate n factor also. Some that is also I will try to upload, as well as this iodometric titration also I will upload. And even this is also okay. M means milli. That's why I'm keeping 10 power minus 3. Try to understand, please. Okay. M means milli. That's why 10 power minus 3. So 1 milli equivalent. 1 milli equivalent equal to 10 power minus 3. What is the equivalent weight of Cl2? Okay, fine, sir. Here I done. Maybe direct step. Some people didn't understand. Okay, for you people purpose, I think so this you can understood. I'm going to remove this one. Most of the people, I hope you understood. I'm expecting. Who are not getting doesn't matter, sir. Now we can see. So I'm getting here 1 milli equivalent, nothing but 1 into 10 power minus 3 equivalents. This is nothing but equal to, in terms of weight by gram equivalent weight of Cl2. Okay, equal to 1 into 10 power minus 3. So W by 71 by 2, nothing but 1 into 10 power minus 3. This is nothing but W equal to 1 into 10 power minus 3 into 71 by 2. That is the reason I wrote directly here. Okay, please check it. I am continuing this part. Okay, you can assume that one if you are not understanding. After I got here W value, this is for 50 ml they contain this much W, then 100 ml contain how much? The W by total weight into 100 we done. Here. Disproportionation. Okay. I think so I explained na, that disproportionation. You may can check it already given balancing equation of disproportionation also. Already we uploaded. You may can check it. Fine. I'll check it. All the things you know that one. Huh? See, concept you know that one right now. I hope you understood. You can do again yourself. This is the with respect to available chlorine, sir. One more important concept that's I'm going to discuss here. H2O2, sir. Volume strength of H2O2. Please note down. This is too much important. Volume strength of H2O2. You may can take double triple star also. Even you can take double triple star also, doesn't matter. That much important. Even recently 2020, I think so 19 also you got some other questions. This is a very simple concept. Correct. 71 into 10 power minus 3 only. Ajay, correct only. Finally, you got for 100 ml 71 into 10 power minus 3 by 0.71 into 100. I hope you know molarity formula, normality formula, all the things. Here, volume strength is the one of the special concentration term only for H2O2. I am using this one only for H2O2. Like you know molarity, normality, even all these things I am going to use here also. But this is a special case we are going to discuss. H2O2 concentration, okay, which is the given H2O2 concentration. We are expressing in terms of volume of means I'm writing equations that you can see here. 2H2O2 gives rise 2H2O plus O2. So indirectly by giving volume, if I know how much volume is that releasing, based on that I can find out what is the concentration of H2O2. Indirect method this is. Since if you have any doubt, you may can go and search. Go if you are nearby any medical shop. Ask hydrogen peroxide. This name is hydrogen peroxide. Sir, H2O2 means hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide. This is oxidizing agent. They are using this is even mouthwash also sometimes. Who are related to medical shop or doctors, you may can see some people they are using for mouthwash also. Hydrogen peroxide. Even you don't have any idea, doesn't matter. Go medical shop, ask them give me hydrogen peroxide. Just take that one. Look what type of bottle they store that one. Just white color plastic bottle. They will give that 100 ml, 200 ml. Just see in that label what they wrote, and again give back and come. Okay, I will buy later. I don't want right now. By looking that one, nothing, sir. No one will say anything. Just give me hydrogen peroxide. Ask them. They will give you. Huh? Just look everything. You can observe that one. Then give back. So now I don't want buy. I will buy later. Okay. Then no one will ask, because of that. Array, medical shop, medical shop. You have to only medical shop. Yes, it prevent skin infection also. That oxidizing agent that will kill germicides. No, he won't. Direct go Apollo medical shop, anything. Just ask him. Nowadays everyone is friendly. Okay, no one will angry manner. Just give me ask H2O2. They will show that bottle. Just look on that one. I think so. This is not the I need to buy. I will buy one more. I will come later. This is not right now. Like that, you can say something. Know how to handle that situation also. Na? Good. Reason that's only because of this is the reason that will provide oxygen. When you are exposed to air or whatever sunlight, H2O to dissociate. Then you will get H2O and oxygen. Oxygen gas or not? Because of this oxygen that will bubble. Are you getting my point? You can pour that H2O in anywhere, sir. Even skin damage somewhere, or you can pour in the even earth also. That will bubble. A reason H2O2 going to be breaking into H2O and O2. So O2 is oxygen only, na? That gas or not gas? That will bubble automatically. That will go upside. That need to go and mix with air. So that will bubble. Any other? Okay, fine. So now our concept is, right, balanced equation here I given. H2O2 is the hydrogen peroxide. H2O and H2O2 just balance equation I given. Now our target is H2O2 concentration I have to measure. H2O2 this special case concentration. In terms of O2 I am going to be measured. In terms of O2. Is it clear? Very simple. In terms of O2. So I'm giving definition you can write. It is the volume of O2 given out. Right, sir. It is the volume of O2 is given out at STP on heating one NH2O2 solution. N means normality, keep in mind. Solution. It is also called strength of H2O2. The strength of H2O2 is the strength of H2O2 is terms of available oxygen. It is also called the strength of H2O2. I think so in terms, no? In terms of available oxygen. Clear? So I'm going to be measured. If I'm taking concentration of H2O is 1 normality, how much oxygen is going to be liberated? That's I need to calculate. That's we called strength of H2O2. We can see step by step how we are going to be solve this one. It is the volume of O2 is given out at STP on heating 1N H2O2 solution. That's we call strength of H2O2 or available chlorine, available oxygen. Anything we can call, sir. The strength of H2O2 or available oxygen. We may can see that one. What is the condition here? At STP condition only we are going to be calculate. STP means already know that one, standard temperature pressure. What is the temperature here? 0 degree centigrade, pressure is 1 atmosphere. Whenever we are heating, that releases oxygen gas. At STP condition, 1 mole of any gas occupies how much volume, sir? At STP condition, 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters. So this is gas, sir. O2 is gas, and this is liquid. Clear? So that's why we are going to be measure at STP conditions. If I know volume of oxygen, I can predict indirectly concentration of H2O2, or I know concentration of H2O2, I can predict volume of O2. That's only, sir. Okay. Now we can see what is going to be do step by step. So I'm writing again equation. You may can see. This is H2O2 gives rise same equation I'm writing, sir. H2O2 2H2O plus O2. I am calculating everything at STP conditions. How many moles of oxygen is formed here? 1 mole. What is the weight of H2O2? Can you calculate? Weight of H2O2. Very simple. O2 is 32 grams plus H2 means 34 or not. So 2 into 34 grams. How much, sir, oxygen we are getting here? 1 mole. Is it correct? 1 mole means I can take either 32 grams or 22.4 liters. Can I write? Anything wrong? If I am taking here, assume that on this 1 liter solution I am taking. For example, 34 grams I am taking, sir. How much will get? This is by 2. Here 16 grams or how much, sir? 11.2 liters. Is it correct? Suppose I am taking 17 grams per liter. Or I am assuming here H2O2 is 1 liter solution I am taking, sir. 1 liter. Please can you find out if I am taking 17 grams, how much this is? By 2 I am taking every time. 8 grams is correct. 8 grams of oxygen or 5.6 liters. Is correct? Anything wrong here? Fine. What is the equivalent of H2O2, sir? Here, N factor how much? Here, N factor is 2. H2O2 N factor is 2, sir. I'm writing, you can see here, H2O plus, if you want, you can take 2 also, doesn't matter, plus O2. Here, minus 1 is the oxygen state. Here, 0 is the oxygen state. What is it we are getting here? 1. But how many oxygens is there here? 2. Okay. 2 into 2. That is 2 is the N factor. Right, don't consider this number. Consider only which is O2. In the molecule, how many atoms is that you need to consider. Not this is balancing stoichiometric coefficients. Should not consider balancing equations, stoichiometric coefficients. Clear? I can write first. You can concentrate what we are doing now. Definition doesn't matter. If you're thinking of definition means you're copying, that is not understanding. Think about this one. What we are going to do here. Anything doubt here? So I'm taking this is a 1 liter solution, sir. H2O is 1 liter I'm taking per liter. Suppose 17 grams per liter means that is strength of solution. Can I say that word? 17 grams per liter means strength of solution. Can I say that word? All these are H2O I am taking, which is left side, sir. This dissolve in 1 liter of solution, keep in mind. So 1 liter I am taking. Suppose 17 grams I am taking, the dissolving 1 liter means I can calculate, sir, molarity, normality, everything I am going to be calculate. Normality equal to 17 grams. What is the equivalent weight of H2O2, sir? I am calculating for this situation, normality. 34 by 2, n factor is 2 into per liter means 1. How much liter? 1 normality. H2O2 solution is how many liters of oxygen? 1 H2O2. ఫోన్ చేశారు ఇక్కడ ఫోన్కి లేదు కదా మళ్ళీ పూర్ కనెక్షన్ వస్తా. How many liters, sir? What is that? 5.6 liter. One normal H2O2 equal to gives how many liters? 5.6 liters. Only this is the thing. This stoichiometry equation we can understand very easily. Assume that one we are dissolving in 1 liter. Okay. Now calculate 17 gram per liter. This is correct. Nothing but strength of solution. Keep in mind units already mentioned, gram per liter. Strength of solution. Any doubt? Next. What is the normality, sir? 1 normal. What we can say molarity, sir? How much molarity? Can I say here 0.5 molarity? There is 17 grams. You can take now molarity. Molarity equal to 17 by molecular mass of H2O is 34 grams into 1 by 1 liter, sir. V liters. How much will get? 0.5 equal to what is the oxygen we are getting, sir? 5.6 liters. Even you may can add one more point here. 1.7 W by V percent, sir. W by V percent means per liter, sir. 1 liter per liter. Keep in mind here I am writing very clearly, sir. Everything is left side dissolving 1 liter. 17 grams dissolved in 1000 ml, nothing but 1 liter. If 100 ml I am taking, how much, sir, this is present? X equal to 17 into 100. 17 into 100 by 1000. How much will get? 1.7. I am calculating for 100 ml means that is nothing but W by weight per 100. I am calculating 17 grams in this is 10,000. If I am calculating 100 grams means that we call percentage W by V percent. So that's why I call this is W by V percent. So this is the only one relation which is you need to remember to solve this problem, sir. This is the only one relation. Now still doubt, Mr. Devadarshan? I wrote here everything clearly. 17 grams per liter. Per 100 ml, how many grams? Devadarshan, I wrote that is. So ultimately, I am taking last point because of normality is the ultimate concentration methods. That is going to be everything we are equaling, gram equivalent terms. I'm going to be close this one. I will give too many questions up to you are getting perfectness. Pranav, we got how n factor is 2. I didn't see your SMS previously got. I will give questions, so don't worry. Now we can see starting onwards what we done, sir. Who asked the definition? Please note down. So whatever volume releases by H2O2, that's we called volume strength of H2O2. I'm measuring everything at STP conditions. Now check it equation I wrote. I'm writing weight and corresponding number of moles of oxygen, corresponding weight and volume. So just I am by dividing every time I am corresponding volume I wrote. I stop at 17 grams because of equivalency is 1, that is. You can stop anywhere, sir, doesn't matter here. Yes, because of peroxy bond only. Na? Here we can see here H2O2 because of peroxide. This is -1 is the oxygen oxidation number. Here 0. You can see right side green color I wrote Pranav. You can check it here. I am underlining right side. -1 because of peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide. What is the name, sir? Name contain peroxide or not? Peroxy bond is there. H2O2 peroxy bond. This is the structure of H2O2. General structure I am giving here. Oxygen, oxygen, oxygen. This is half open book structure. We are going to study 11th standard. Oxygen bond we call peroxy bond. Yes, we can go further also, no issue. Just I'm giving process. Whatever they given, you can proceed. I'm not giving directly step here. Why you have to take only 17? You can take any method, anything here, which is I given 4 steps here, 3 steps. You can go further also. Nothing is going to be wrong. Okay. But process I given here, how they can ask questions, everything. If completed, then you can move at least 1 or 2 questions you can write. Can I ask you doubts? Can type and send SMS. I'm seeing here everything. Just note down volume strength of H2O2 only. Nothing is deciding. Everything we are discussing all the one by one, which is exception concepts, and which is we left the concepts. Those we are discussing one by one. There is no separate chapter which we are discussing everything at redox reactions only. You can keep all subsidings. Whenever they're asking question about H2O2 means you can look here your class notes and solve that question. If they're asking anywhere volume strength, what they are using, you can do, sir. Anything doubt here? One more point you can keep here. I'm giving that is, you can close last, I think so 1 minute only, that's why. I hope you noted down. This is the finally, array noted down this point, I hope. Keep star mark also. One point I mentioned. Write one more point. Volume strength of H2O2 volume strength of H2O2 into volume of H2O2 equal to volume of 48 STP. I will give meaning everything. Volume of H2O2, sorry, volume of O2, na? Volume of O2 at STP. Please note down. Volume of O2 at STP. Please note down. Volume of O2 at STP. So note down this, the one more relation also. This meaning we will discuss. Hope tomorrow. I think your class is over. Take break. Try to read. If you are finding anywhere you can do. Already syllabus is completed. Please do that one. Problem solving that one. Okay. So again questions also may repeating again. which is already done 2 exams. Some question will be repeat. Don't think that one wantedly we are giving that questions. You done or not previous exams. Some people have done mistake. Again, they are writing error book or not. We are checking that one. We are repeating wantedly some questions. Clear? Now you can take break, sir. I think so. Class is up to 3:20. If you have any queries, you may can ask. No. Why 3 chapters? Array, Japit, you done 150 questions. Superb. Good. Ashwin, I will try maximum. Now at least some people are asking few things. I will do that one right now. Okay. I'll make it questions also based on this. You may can see that today you can get. Okay. Yeah, surely. You may can get video today mostly. You can try it. Let's do again level 1, level 2 also, na, Japit. You can do level 1, level 2 also questions. Array, what target corresponding chapter you need to complete, which is they have Nalendra Vastu you are doing na, that book, whatever they give level 1, level 2, completely you need to complete. Even that book you have to do at least 2 to 3 times. Last one I will explain, sir. I will explain right now. Leave it all the people they are leaving. Tomorrow I will discuss that history. Don't worry. Okay. Take break. Take break. Be ready for next class. Alright, don't worry that one. I don't skip anything. Okay. Everything I will make for you by understanding. Yeah, surely. Very well. Yeah, surely that is. You may can request me. I'll send that one. Hey, all people are welcome. That's only. Huh? Sure. Thank you. Thank you very much. Take break. Be prepared for next energetic. Maybe next class, whatever that is. Thank you. Take break.